Oh, hi. It's the last day of Veganuary. Can you believe it? I can't either.
Oh, it's on me? Crazy, yeah.
Anyway, this is what I ate on my 31st birthday. Me? No. Maddie. Thank you for asking though. Oh, good morning, Sean.
Good morning.
So,
No.
Bowie said, "Where's mine, Dad?"
Yeah, I get it.
They just ate. Oh, thank you, Sean. Sean always brings me the Jeopardy clue. So, please stop barking, sir. He said, "You know what? I smell hash browns, and it is my right as a dog in this house to sample the hash brown / potato products whenever we have them." And he is completely right. So here's your payment. And Lucy, here's yours. Now get out of here. Alright, get out. Go lay down. You got your payment. So it is Maddie's 31st birthday morning. And like any good daddy, you're making breakfast for your baby because she makes you breakfast all the time.
Two of my babies.
Yes, Sean also. Not me though. I fended for myself.
You don't like this.
I don't really like that.
I would make it.
I know you would. You're a great husband, father, person. One day grandfather, hopefully. Yeah. It's not up to us. But anyway, we are having breakfast. And what have you made your baby for breakfast?
Why, she was having this
Oh!
that I almost dumped.
So you got a ciabatta,
Some,
toasted, some vegan cheddar melt slice, a folded just egg that you folded yourself.
Folded myself.
We didn't buy it pre-folded.
No.
It's right here. And did you put butter on the bread as well?
No.
Alright, and some McCain baby cakes.
Right.
Hash browns.
I don't know if Maddie wants them
Potato
on the
latkes.
sandwich.
Huh?
Would Maddie like it on the sandwich?
Maybe.
Yeah. With that.
Oh, wow.
Look at that.
Alright. What a beautiful breakfast you made.
Okay, thank you.
In case anybody wants to know, I'm just having leftovers. Because I love leftovers, even in the morning.
Look what I made for you.
So this is a little bit of rice in here with a lot of broccoli. Oh, it's the birthday girl.
Hi.
Look at the sandwich your daddy made for you.
Dad.
Welcome.
Looks so good.
Oh,
It's got the hash browns on it.
yeah. He didn't know whether to put it on there or not.
Yeah, I'll take them. Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Welcome to
Did you already show everything that's on
Yes,
here? Okay.
yes. So you can take it and relax.
Thank you.
I've already had some coffee. I'm going to have another cup of coffee. I'm having the leftover tofu stir fry from Friday night. A little bit of rice, mostly broccoli.
It was good.
Thank you. I'm going to throw on some of the
Salad.
ultimate salad. And I have to admit that I had a
Cookie already.
cookie with
They're
my
so
first.
good.
Thank you. That was
Very,
the
very tasty.
peanut butter chippies.
Yes.
Very good. That's my second batch that I've made this week. So everybody loves those, especially with coffee. They're just really good with coffee. So I had one when I got up to let the dogs out this morning, hours ago. Probably like 2 hours ago already.
Oh my goodness.
I know.
I slept in.
Hey, it's your birthday. You do you.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I forgot that I was filming what I was eating too for the video today. But I've already had, I want to say like 3 of these spicy, not tuna, tomato, rice rectangles. And I had probably about a package of, a whole 12-ounce package of the frozen green beans, but I had it with a little bit of ranch dressing on it. And maybe one more cookie when I had my second cup of coffee. So this is the recipe video a few back. What were the peanut butter chippies. So good. They're very easy to make too. You just do it in the food processor or in your high-speed blender with the plunger thing. Very quick. And gluten-free, of course. These are also gluten-free. And I'm starting to cook now. I made some bread down here, which is proofing. I'm thawing out my Impossible mince over there, which is going to be stuffed grape leaves for everybody. And I'm also going to make some beautiful baked ziti, which is going to be vegetarian, not vegan, because not everybody at the party is going to be vegan, so it's a little compromise, but that's what we're having today.
Okay guys, we are at the mall. We are about to go see West Side Story, but I wanted to show you guys what kind of snacks we got. First I got these tissues, which I'm not going to eat, but
That's a good thing you clarified that.
this is so I don't have to eat my tears. I don't want anyone to think that this is how I eat all the time, but I am having candy for lunch today because that's just how it worked out. But I got these Smart sweets, which are basically like Swedish fish. They are vegan. I got these thinly dipped dark chocolate almonds, which are delicious. What did you get?
Just some gummies.
Nice.
Yeah.
And I also have this. Hint. Yay! I'm still not sure if this is carbonated or not, but it looks really delicious. So we're gonna go catch our movie and we're gonna have a good time.
Sure.
Oh, how was your movie, Sweater?
It was wonderful.
Awesome. Well, now it's time for your birthday dinner.
I know, and it's such a nice spread.
Why, thank you.
Looks delicious.
So we've got some Greekish salad. We have some vegan feta.
Oh, that's vegan?
Yes.
Ooh.
Olives. Some vegan tzatziki. Some lemon juice. I didn't do anything to that. I just took it out of the fridge.
Okay.
Some homemade
Look at
bread.
those.
This isn't vegan, but
That's not for us.
That's not for us, but this is.
Ooh.
Stuffed grape leaves made with Impossible chopped meat.
Beautiful.
And I know you guys are like, but wait, there's no meat in dolmas. But this is a different type. This is a red tomato sauce stuffed grape leaf. It's more reminiscent of like a stuffed cabbage roll.
Yeah.
So I don't know what the official name for it is. Wait, what'd your mother call those?
I don't remember.
Like
Yeah, I call them Upreki.
Uprekis.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, Upreki. So that's what that is. If you're Greek, confirm that for us.
I've never been able to find that anywhere else, but she always used to call it that.
Yeah, and remember,
Yeah.
their family was from the far islands by Turkey. It may have been completely
Oh. Oh no.
But yeah, that's interesting. The differences from region to region.
Right. So this isn't a diner.
Tomades.
Tomates. Yeah. This is a yaprakia. Sounds like chiropractia.
A little bit.
Well, I hope you have a wonderful birthday dinner.
I think I'm going to. Thank you
right.
so much for making it.
Oh, you're so welcome. Enjoy.
Yeah, Bridgerton.
All right, here is the cake for birthday. It's gluten-free. It's vegan, obviously, and it's funfetti. Good stuff. All right, there's what's left of the cake.
It was delicious.
All right.
Very, very good.
We had a good day.
Yes, we did.
Full day of vegan party food and
Yeah, I literally ate candy and nuts for lunch.
oh my god.
Which I don't normally do, but it is what it is. Sometimes that happens. This is not an example by any means of what you should be eating.
No, this is just
what we ate today.
Right, exactly.
So, I had a great day. Everybody was super awesome.
I'm glad you
Thank you so
enjoyed
much
it.
for all of your amazingness today.
Oh,
as
you're
always.
so welcome.
You guys missed it. We had a memory card error, so we had to film this again. But the first time through, I cried.
Are you gonna cry again?
No, I'm not.
All right, keep drinking. All right.
I'm just very touched.
I know. It's okay. Your 31-year-old baby. All right.
Thank you all so much.
Yes.
Not just for watching today, but for joining us for Veganuary. We had a great time. We had a lot of great food, and we hope that you enjoyed it as well, and maybe tried out some of the recipes.
I hope they enjoyed it.
Yeah.
I hope they learned something. I hope they were able to take something away from it and share it with other people. I just hope you had a positive experience, and we'll be here for you. We might not be making videos every single day.
No, but
I know we won't, but
we know for a fact we will not. But we'll still be here.
Right. So if you like what you saw from Veganuary,
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned, because we have more of the same and other stuff.
Yep.
So, hello February.
Woo.
Welcome. And until next time.
Much love.